This is a huge step and level of commitment for Campbell Media Group to be able to make this happen this soon. How we doing? Welcome to today's vlog. Monday, it's Super Monday. Big Monday, big news today. About to let the team know a special announcement. Got a heap of calls today. It's going to be a very mundane Monday. But as always, like I said, our job here with our daily vlog is to make sure we're bringing you content every single day, and behind the scenes view of how we're building Campbell Media Group, what we're doing right, what we're doing wrong, what we could be doing better. There's always a lot of all of those things, which is exciting because that's the whole thing of building a business. You're never gonna get every single piece of the puzzle in the right place to start with. Bing! That's a good one. I've noticed I haven't seen the Brettaphors popping up as much of late. Maybe I need to pick my game up. Maybe I need to pick my game up a bit better. Yeah. Maybe I need to pick up the game. No. Forced. Yeah. When you don't have content, you make it up. But we do have a bit of an update today. If you haven't yet heard, Mark Zuckerberg's come back out with another update. Go check that out, where we bring you the latest, the hottest topics in the digital marketing space and how it can affect you and your business. So go check that out. Had a cruisy weekend. So didn't do much. Did the lawns. Yeah, I got some satisfaction out of it actually. You know when you do a good job, you're like, yeah, pretty happy with that. I got the edge trimmer out. What we wanted to share with you guys today, we held off because we would like to see Emily and Daniel here today, but obviously they're sick and the world doesn't stop, unfortunately. What we're going to share with you is, I guess for us, it's a display of us really being congruent with our message, in the sense of, we're really serious about building this business. We're really serious about delivering the best results we possibly can for our clients. And to do so, there's a number of things that need to happen. One of our focuses, like I said, is for Campbell Media Group to grow is I realize I'm a linchpin in the business. And what we need to be able to do is we need to be able to have someone who can, I guess, essentially, in the perfect world, it'd be great to have a number two of me, someone who has the technical ability, someone who also has the strategic mind to be able to look at things and grow and basically take over 85% of what I'm currently doing. In the perfect world, for Dan and I, we've had a focus on, by 6 months into this year, we had to make that happen. We had to have someone there to be able to take that through, especially with what we're wanting to do with Campbell Media Group and grow and be able to support hundreds of businesses around Australia and the world. We realized that I was, I guess, the thing that was potentially, which sounds counterintuitive, but the thing stopping it from growing, because I'm stuck in the doing.
In line with everything that Brett said, and most importantly, our commitment to becoming the #1 digital marketing agency in this country, we're extremely proud to announce that we have acquired another digital marketing agency.
This is a huge step and level of commitment for Campbell Media Group to be able to make this happen this soon. Like for us, it was, if you know anything about me, if I see an opportunity and I want to go get it now. And this was one of those opportunities. Really just everything just fell into place smoothly. So it hasn't been a ball breaker, trying to make things happen. It's actually happened relatively smoothly. So this is just to show you guys we're super committed. I mean, you probably don't need to see that to know that, I'm super committed to making sure this happens. If I have to be in this office 20 hours a day to do whatever we have to do, then that's just what I'm prepared to do. Now, I'm not saying you guys have to do that at all. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is we are 100% focused, and this is just another example to show you that we're jumping in the deep end of the pool, and we're gonna swim like fucking crazy. So there we have it. Sorry you weren't able to hear all of that, but we just had a fantastic meeting with the team. Let them know of the exciting and the huge news. You'll find out about it in the next couple of weeks via the vlog, but for now, it's behind closed doors. The team's very excited about it. It's a big move, big step for CMG, and you know, just another demonstration of we're taking this seriously. You know, we set out to become Australia's #1 digital marketing agency, and we're doing everything we can in our power. We're taking the right steps, we're doing the right things that we know of course, to make sure that we're being congruent with that. You know, it's one thing saying that you want to be the best, but you really got to back that up with actual doing. You got to back it up with, you know, your ability to follow through with what you're saying you're going to do. I think it's extremely important. It's an integral part of even you know, a human being. You know, you say you're going to do something, go and do it. Don't be that person who just puts out false dreams, these big goals, and you just never do nothing about it. So, huge opportunity. Really excited, and I really look forward to being able to share it with you soon. But like I said, for now we've got to keep it behind closed doors. Today on Notified, we are talking the second major update of 2018 when it comes to the Facebook newsfeed. So off the back of what you just seen, a little snippet there, Notified, if you want to go and check out the entire piece, go and head over to, I'll put a link in the comments here, or put it up here, or we'll do something. Go and check it out anyway, it's on YouTube. And on my Facebook fan page, scroll through, have a look, check it out. Give us a like, give us a comment, give us a share. It sounds like a lot of giving. How about I give you something? So in regards to the video we just created, Facebook have just updated or announced their second major update regarding the whole newsfeed debacle, catastrophe, however you want to look at it. There's also some really good opportunity in there for some creators to actually get more reach, which is exciting. But it's sort of a wishy-washy situation at the moment. There's really no exact clarity around what's going to happen. You just have to unfold and just watch the clouds come over, and bing, there's a good Brettaphor. Watch the clouds come over and see what happens. Is it going to rain? Don't know. It might rain on your parade, or it might actually make your plants grow. Bing, there's another one. Said earlier, where's this coming from? Anyhow, so exciting things ahead if you decide it to be exciting. You know, a part of what they're really wanting to focus on is content that is going to create interaction, conversation. You know, so why, when I'm in a video here and I'm saying, hey, let me know what you think below, let's have a chat about it, means I actually want you to comment and us to have a conversation about it. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the change of Facebook. Let me know how you think it's going to affect you. What are your biggest concerns, and what are you actually excited about most? So I'm excited because I always love it when it's new. Everyone here, we're all on an even playing field now. You've got just as much opportunity than anyone to be able to make sure that your content's being seen and being heard.
What would you have to say to people who aren't creating content yet?
Well, great opportunity for you to jump on board and create it properly from the start. Does your content tick the boxes of, is it creating engagement? Is it trustworthy? You know, do people actually come back and watch your content more than once? You know, is it consumable? So you got to think of those things when you're creating content. You know, for us, a lot of our content, we actually do it on the fly. So, you know, a little bit harder in that aspect. But if you're sitting down and you're going, okay, I need to create a video and I need to get this message across. This is what I need to say. This is what I need to do. What could be something in the video? If you create a video and at the end of it you go, there was nothing in there that was share worthy or shareable, then go back to the drawing board and recreate it. But like I said, we're creating content on the fly. We're doing a little bit differently than, you know, 99% of people out there creating content. That's why, you know, I've got to actually get out of the office here in like -3 minutes. But I'm still spending the time here to go, wait, we need to make sure we're giving some good bits of content here. Yeah, so we can do our best to ensure that, you know, you're watching, you're engaging, you're sharing, commenting if needed. So we can still, I'm playing the game just as much as you. There, I think I got a bit there. Sure. Let us know what you think, and make sure you tune into the next episode. Thanks for tuning into today. I'm Brett Campbell. That's it, I'm Brett Campbell. If you didn't know, I'm Brett Campbell. Exciting day today. Even though it's a short one, it was a good one. Yeah. Or it's not short. For me it is, for you it's shorter, for you, not for me. It's short. Anyway, I'll see you later. Thank you for watching today's vlog. If you would like to tune into another episode, hit the video on your left, and don't forget to subscribe by hitting the link on the right.